Okay. Trying to get Adguard installed on this virtual machine. I don't know what I'm doing, so maybe this will be a successful video, maybe it won't. I just copied this from this location, and then it wanted my password, so we're going to install. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and go to this location for the initial setup. Okay, get started. Alright. I had this issue last time, and I just changed the port, which I believe that was a problem. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Where's my cursor? Okay. Alright, I managed to turn system resolver off with this command to stop it, and then to disable it with this command. Hopefully that doesn't break anything else. I'm just testing. This is the second time I've gone about this. Okay. Everything looks good. Hit next. Alright. Let's go ahead and do the credentials here. Anyway, yep, so this is where you do the password and username. Next. Here, where it shows you or tells you in a generic manner how to set this up via your router, or you can do it individually between Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS. Ideally, it would be handled with your router. And then we are going to go and hit next again. And bam, set up. This went much smoother than the first time I did this, which was an utter fail. I couldn't figure out how to uninstall it, so I redid the entire virtual machine. Huh. Interesting. It already says it's had some DNS queries, and I haven't done anything yet. Huh. Okay. Now, I don't know much about this. Yeah. That's how to install it. Now let's see if I can hit this from my main machine. Just thinking about it. One 192.168.1.15, maybe 192. 192.168.1.15. Bam! Login. Okay, well that works. I had issues with that with my virtual machine at first. I had to change the switch settings that I was using so it would get on the right network. Anyway, it's a quick how to install video. Have any questions? I will do my best to answer. I've been at this for a few hours. Anyway, this is TechMaster170 signing out.